Hazrat Zayd bin Aslam has reported from his father, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was undertaking a journey, and one night Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu was proceeding with him, and he asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam something, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not reply. He asked for a second time, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not make a reply. He then asked for a third time, but again he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not give him any reply. Whereupon Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said to himself, "May Umar's mother weep over you. You asked thrice, but you were not responded any time." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, "I galloped my camel and outstripped the other people, fearing lest the Quran should be revealed in my connection. Before long a caller was calling me. I feared that the Quran might have revealed about me. So I came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and greeted him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Yesterday night such a chapter, the victory, was revealed to me as is dearer to me than all those things in which the sun rises.' Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited the chapter victory. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4833.